Can I grow a successful full-time income producing business in just 2 years? Hi, I'm Reagan Ramm, the content engineer of paularam.com, helping you grow your business the gentle and quiet way. And I'm going to attempt to start and build an entirely new business in 2021. Not only that, but my goal is to grow this business without using social media or paid ads. So I'm going to try and grow this business completely free using content marketing. So if you're interested in building your own online business and you want to see what to do and maybe what not to do, then be sure to hit subscribe to follow this vlog series. All right, now I'm going to share a little bit more about what this business is and how I hope to achieve my goals.
All right, so how am I going to build an online business from scratch? Well, first off, the business I'm going to be growing is called Orpheus Audio Academy, and the goal of this business is to help independent music artists create better music and build their fan bases online. And so I'll be creating content like how to write songs, how to make electronic music, how to record and edit audio, and how to grow a fan base online. And then what's my goal? Well, my goal is to get to the point where this is an actual business that can earn me a full-time income in just 2 years. So the goal is that after 2 years, this business will be able to generate me $40,000 a year. That doesn't mean that after 2 years I've actually earned $40,000, but that the business is making predictable monthly income that would add up to $40,000 a year. So how will I make this happen? What is the strategy? Well, it's going to involve creating content, and that means blog posts and videos. I'll be building an email list. I might even utilize Pinterest as well, and I'm going to monetize using affiliate marketing, advertising, and creating my own info products. And I'm also not going to be using social media in this process. So that is the extra interesting experiment with this. A lot of people talk about, social media strategies, and you have to use social media to grow a business, but I'm going to try and do it without social media. So I won't be building my website completely from scratch because this is a website I had started years and years ago but never really did anything with. But earlier this year I started publishing some more posts, and then I stopped and I said, hey, why don't I actually document myself growing this website before I post anymore? So here's what my stats are currently. I'm currently getting about 4,800 visitors a month right now. And this is, again, just creating content, not doing any promotion. You can see I only have 17 published posts, so only 17 posts, yet I'm getting almost 5,000 visitors a month right now, so that's pretty good. So we'll see how that grows in the coming months.
All right, I hope you're excited about watching this vlog series. If you are, drop a like. If not, go ahead and leave a dislike. And let me know in the comments below what you want me to cover in this series. What do you want me to show with these vlog episodes? Right now, my plan is to update this series about once a month so you can see my progress over time and see my eventual success or failure, depending on what happens. All right, I hope this sounds interesting to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.